Today I will use this G3 saturated head coffee machine with you. First, insert one end of the water inlet pipe into the machine and plug it in tightly. The other end can be connected to the water purifier outlet, or put into a bucket for self-priming. Plug in the power and turn on the machine. Turn on the brewing head switch until the water comes out and turn it off. The machine starts to heat up, and when it reaches the temperature in the video, it means that the machine is heated up. Before making coffee, we heat the handle with hot water. This step is to minimize the temperature loss when extracting coffee. After the handle is heated, you can grind it. We take about 19 grams of coffee powder and compact it, fasten the handle, tighten the brewing head, open the middle of the brewing head to pre-infuse, and start extraction on the right side. Next, I will make a cup of iced Americano for everyone. We use 19 grams of coffee powder to extract about 35 grams of coffee liquid. When the desired amount is reached, close the brewing head and stop extraction. We prepare a cup of 350 grams of ice water, pour the concentrate into the ice water, and a cup of American style is completed. Next, let's make a hot latte. First, warm the cup with hot water. We also take a portion of 19 grams of coffee powder, fasten it, turn on the extraction switch, pre-soak in the middle, and start extraction on the far right. We extract about 35 grams of espresso liquid. When the amount is reached, turn off the extraction switch. Next, we start to froth the milk. First, let out the excess condensed water in the steam rod, and use about 300 milliliters of ice milk to froth the milk. After the milk froth is made, you need to clean the milk froth rod in time, and then pour the milk froth into the latte art vat for fusion and latte art. In this way, a cup of hot latte is completed. If you like this G3 saturated head coffee machine, please contact us.